Well, it's been another fun day for Rivian fans. You may have heard that Rivian held a small open house at the Denver Service Center today, so I stopped in to say hello. Okay, it's Service Center Open House Day, and I'm here with Brian and Ryan and Rebecca and Robin. Anyway, the whole crew. And what? There are about, 40 new R1Ts in the parking lot? What? Okay, but beside the cool factor of getting to see all of those R1Ts and getting to crawl around in a couple and learning to no one's surprise that my daughter can fit into a lot of the parts of the R1T, I got a chance to meet lots of very cool people, both employees and customers, and we even got a ride for the first time. I felt like a kid at a county fair going on a very smooth hayride. I mean, look at me. What I really loved was just the feeling of change in the air. Something amazing is happening. Not just a very cool new vehicle, but a new chapter is beginning in how we think about trucks, and I love it. Thank you so much to Rivian for setting up this event. It was a lot of fun, and thanks to all the great people we met today. I was told that Rivian is hoping to hold more of these events in the near future, so if you're in the area, hold on just a bit longer. And I'm hoping to put together a follow-up video with some of the details we learned at the event today, but I just wanted to get this primer up as soon as possible so you could join in the fun virtually. So please subscribe and hit that bell, lots more to come. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Shot from an R1T, down the rows, silvers, blues, launch greens, everybody. Come and get your R1T.